morning everybody. I am Suresh from South Point School. I'll teach you. Today I continue some extra problems. First problem of class 9. First problem is sec theta minus 1 by sec theta plus 1 is equal to cot theta minus cosec theta whole square. For this, taking LHS, first sec theta minus 1 by sec theta plus 1. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta minus 1 by 1 by cos theta minus plus 1, and multiplying numerator and denominator by cos theta. So this is 1 minus cos theta and denominator 1 plus cos theta. Now rationalize 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So this is 1 minus cos theta whole square, and this is 1 a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 square minus cos square theta. So this is 1 minus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square is sin square theta. Now separate 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square, and separate in two parts, 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. This is 1 by sin theta is cosec theta, and cos theta by sin theta is cos theta whole square, and here is cos theta minus cosec theta, and here is cosec theta minus cos theta. If a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, or b minus a whole square is equal to b square minus 2ba plus a square. This means a square minus 2ab plus b square. Therefore a minus b whole square is equal to b minus a whole square. Therefore cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to cot theta minus cosec theta whole square is RHS. Similarly, for next question, next question is cos theta by cosec theta plus 1 plus cos theta by cosec theta minus 1 is equal to 2 times theta. Now LHS, cos theta by cosec theta plus 1 plus cos theta by cosec theta minus 1, and cos theta by cosec theta plus 1 by sin theta plus 1 plus cos theta by 1 by sin theta minus 1. So cos theta by LCM is sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta by LCM is sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. So this is sin theta into cos theta by cos sin theta, and sin theta cos theta 1 minus sin theta. Now sin theta into cos theta is common, so this is 1 by 1 plus sin theta plus 1 by 1 minus sin theta sin theta into cos theta. LCM is 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta. This is 1 minus sin theta. This is 1 plus sin theta. And sin theta is cancelled. So this is sin theta into cos theta. 1 plus 1 is 2 by 1 minus sin square theta, and sin theta into cos theta 2 by 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, and cos theta is cancelled. 2 into sin theta by cos theta. This is 2 sin theta. Now next question. Next question is 1 by sec A minus tan A, 1 minus 1 by cos A, 1 by cos A minus 1 by sec A plus tan A. Now taking LHS, left hand side, 1 by sec A minus tan A minus 1 by cos A. Sec A minus tan A, here is 1. Formula of 1 in sec and tan form is sec square A minus tan square A is 1, and sec A minus tan A by 1 by cos A. Sec square A minus is A square minus B square. Sec A plus tan A plus B, A minus B, sec A minus tan A by sec A minus tan A. Sec A minus tan A is cancelled. 1 by cos A. For this, sec A plus tan A minus 1 by cos A, and this is sec A, and minus 1 by cos A is sec A. If minus is common, then this is minus tan A by 1. We can write in denominator by 1. So this is sec A minus sec A minus tan A by 1 is again use formula sec square A minus tan square A. Sec square A minus tan square A. So this is sec A minus tan A by sec A plus tan A, sec A minus tan A, sec A minus tan A cancel. So this is sec A is equal to 1 by cos A, and 1 sec A plus tan A is equal to yes as true. Similarly, next question. Next question is tan A plus sec A minus 1 by tan A minus sec A plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin A by cos A. For this LHS, tan A plus sec A, 1. Formula of 1 in tan and sec form. Tan A plus sec A. This is sec A square A minus tan square A by tan A minus sec A plus 1. Tan A plus sec A, and formula of A square minus B square. Sec A plus tan A, sec A minus tan A by tan A minus sec A plus 1. And now tan A plus sec A, tan A plus sec A is common, so tan A plus sec A is common. Remaining from first is 1, from second minus sec A, minus minus plus tan A by tan A minus sec A plus 1. Tan A minus sec A plus 1. Tan A minus sec plus 1 is cancelled. Remaining is tan A plus sec A. Now tan A is equal to sin A by cos A plus sec A is equal to 1 by cos A is equal to LCM is cos A. So this is sin A plus 1 is equal to RHS. Now next question. Next question. One plus tan A whole square plus 1 minus tan A whole square by 1 plus cot A whole square 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to sin square A. For this LHS 1 plus tan A whole square 1 minus tan A whole square by 1 plus 1 by tan A 1 minus 1 by tan A 1 plus tan A whole square 1 minus tan A whole square. Tan A LCM, tan A plus 1 by tan A whole square plus tan A minus 1 by tan A whole square. Tan A LCM 1 plus tan A whole square 1 minus tan A whole square. Tan square A LCM tan A plus 1 whole square plus tan A minus 1 whole square or 1 minus tan A whole square is same whole square. So this is tan, this is 1 plus tan A whole square plus 1 minus tan A whole square by tan A plus 1 whole square plus 1 minus tan A whole square into tan square A. Now this cancel. This is tan square A